I'm gonna start off by using the newest keyboard I built. Oh no! No! Those covered up words. Too difficult. Oh, sweet. Should we switch up keyboards? Maybe I'll do that. All right. The second one, the jelly. Okay. Welcome back. Jelly cattle. Okay. It was literally one letter. Yatta! Is it switcheroo keyboard time? It's time for the 𝘀𝗵cie𝘄𝗰𝘀𝗀. Hello, 𝘀𝗵cie𝘄𝗰𝘀𝗀. Welcome. Alright. Kingdom, let me also wear such deliberate disguises. No! My brain is too slow. Oh, we tried. Oh, my brain hurts. Oh. All three sounded great.